Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to view hidden games on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, open your Steam application on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and can see your Steam library, you're ready to begin. Now direct your attention to the upper left corner of the Steam window. You'll see a menu bar there with several options. Click on the option labeled View. This will open a drop-down menu with various viewing options for your Steam library. From this drop-down menu, select Hidden Games. This is the key option that allows you to access all the games you've previously hidden from your main library view. Once you click on Hidden Games, your Steam interface will automatically switch to display a dedicated section for these titles. Look at the left panel of your Steam window and you'll now see a complete list of all the games you've hidden. This panel makes it easy to browse through everything you've tucked away, whether you hid them to declutter your library or for any other reason. Now, if you want to unhide a specific game and bring it back to your main library, here's what you need to do. Find the game you want to restore in the left panel and right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, hover your mouse over the option that says Manage. When you hover over it, another submenu will appear to the side. In this submenu, click on Remove from Hidden. This action immediately takes the game out of your hidden game section and restores it to your regular Steam library where you can access it normally again. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully viewed your hidden games on Steam and learned how to unhide them whenever you want to play them again. This feature is incredibly useful for managing your game library and keeping your Steam interface organized exactly how you like it. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.